If you are really serious about getting rich, then you must follow the rules of money. So watch this video till the end to know all the rules of money and become rich quickly. Let's begin. Rule number 1. Implement a budget without delay. Grasping your expenditure patterns and financial objectives is essential for upholding fiscal discipline. To initiate the budgeting process, it is essential to first assess your income and expenses. It is crucial to begin monitoring these numbers with the seriousness they deserve. Implementing a spreadsheet to systematically compile a detailed overview of your monthly expenses is a highly effective strategy. Once you have thoroughly assessed your financial landscape, it is crucial to set definitive goals. Envision the lifestyle you aspire to achieve and assess the financial resources required to support it. After establishing a comprehensive understanding of your income needs, it's essential to initiate the implementation of cost-saving strategies. It is crucial to start by assessing any non-essential monthly expenditures, including entertainment subscriptions or gym memberships that may not align with your current lifestyle needs. It's essential to explore additional avenues for reducing expenses. Evaluate your cell phone plans, optimize electricity consumption, limit dining out, negotiate lower insurance premiums, shop strategically with a list, and prioritize debt repayment. Eliminating debts is essential for achieving wealth. Rule number 2. Compile a thorough inventory of all outstanding debts. To enhance your spending habits, it is essential to maintain a comprehensive understanding of your debts and their related costs. Start by compiling a detailed inventory of all your existing debts. Incorporate credit card debt, educational loans, personal loans, auto loans, and mortgage obligations. Ensure that you provide the interest rates, minimum monthly payments, and total balances for each account. Finally, ensure that the minimum monthly payment designated for these debts is clearly outlined each month. This information is generally accessible through statements or by reaching out directly to the lender. With a comprehensive grasp of your existing spending patterns and the opportunity for financial independence free from debt, you can initiate the process of cultivating financial discipline by methodically addressing and eliminating each debt obligation. Click the subscribe button and hit the like button if you're interested in gaining valuable financial insights and strategies to build wealth. Rule number 3. Creating a contingency reserve. Establishing an emergency fund is a strategic approach to fostering financial discipline. Establishing a robust safety net of savings to cover expenses for living for 3 to 6 months is essential to navigate unforeseen circumstances, including job loss or unexpected medical expenses. During unforeseen circumstances such as natural disasters or economic downturns, individuals may encounter financial challenges, including job loss or diminished income. This situation can hinder their ability to fulfill financial commitments and ensure timely bill payments. It is essential to recognize that this safety net is distinct from setting aside funds for your dream vacation or accumulating resources for your next significant acquisition. Rule number 4. Anticipate the future in the pursuit of financial discipline. It is essential to meticulously evaluate every available option. It is essential to thoroughly assess your options and ascertain how they correspond with your goals, needs, preferences, and situation. Evaluate your financial objectives and requirements critically. Should I aim for an extravagant lifestyle or seek fulfillment in a simpler way of living? Should I focus on enhancing my retirement savings to secure a comfortable future, or have I already accumulated sufficient funds for this goal? Am I focused on a particular objective for my savings, like funding my child's college tuition, or am I primarily looking to establish a financial cushion for unexpected expenses such as medical bills or car repairs? Am I positioned to achieve the financial freedom necessary for my desired retirement timeline? Rule number 5. Make retirement savings the top priority. As we look ahead, it is essential to prioritize retirement planning as a fundamental aspect of our strategy. Establishing a savings plan for retirement is a strategic move. Engaging with a financial planner in DC will allow you to explore effective investment strategies. After gaining a comprehensive insight into your expenses, it is crucial to designate a segment of your income for savings. Integrating this into your monthly budget represents a strategic and effective approach. It is prudent to allocate a portion of each paycheck, ideally around 10%, to systematically establish an emergency fund. Nonetheless, achieving even a 5% savings can significantly advance this objective. One effective strategy to accomplish this is by contributing to a 401,000 or IRA. Determining the optimal savings amount requires a comprehensive analysis of several key factors, including age, income, existing savings, and outstanding debt. For those under 40, a strategic approach would be to allocate 10% of your annual income towards contributions. Given your annual income of $50,000 at the age of 30, it is advisable to allocate $5,000 each year, translating to $1,000 monthly contributions. Individuals in the 40-50 age range should strategically allocate at least 15% of their annual income towards contributions, aiming for an optimal target of 20%. For an individual at the age of 45 with an annual income of $60,000, it is recommended to allocate approximately $9,000 each year, $1,500 monthly, towards their 401,000 or IRA account. Rule number 6. Always prioritize your savings above all else. Prioritizing personal investment is essential before addressing any other commitments. Prioritizing savings is essential. Allocate a portion of your income to yourself before addressing any other expenses. In straightforward terms, with a monthly salary of $3,000 and bills totaling $1,500, it is essential to allocate $500 towards savings or investments. This strategy ensures you maintain available funds for debt repayment or future opportunities. Striking a balance between allocating income for debt repayment or investment and reserving funds for future needs is crucial. One effective strategy is to implement an automatic transfer of a percentage of your earnings from your checking account to your savings account. This approach ensures that you maintain sufficient liquidity for obligations such as taxes or unforeseen expenditures. Rule number 7. Establish clear objectives. To achieve financial discipline, it is imperative to establish clear and defined goals. In the absence of well-defined objectives, one may inadvertently focus on matters that lack significance or do not warrant immediate attention. After establishing your primary objective, document it clearly and formulate a strategic plan to achieve it. A well-structured plan is essential, incorporating specific timeframes for reaching key milestones and establishing clear deadlines for each of them. Upholding a goal often presents greater challenges than the initial establishment of that goal. Wouldn't you concur? Do not hesitate to seek assistance. Many individuals are ready and willing to support others in achieving their goals. Remember that establishing long-term objectives provides your investments with a clear direction and purpose. Our team of experts will strategically align each investment with your risk tolerance and time horizon, optimizing your potential to stay on course toward achieving your objectives. Numerous young individuals frequently postpone their savings efforts as they may not entirely understand the significant advantages of compounding or the critical nature of long-term investing. A clear focus on long-term objectives significantly strengthens commitment and investment strategy. This enables the effectiveness of compounding interest to enhance and progressively increase your wealth over time. Long-term investment strategies yield significant advantages. Remaining adaptable and strategically reinvesting profits is crucial for maximizing potential gains. Rule number 8. Embrace flexibility, maintain awareness, and cultivate patience. In the realm of financial management, flexibility is key. There are no rigid rules to follow. There are overarching principles that can be tailored to align with your unique circumstances, objectives, and priorities. Aligning your financial strategy with your personal goals and priorities is essential. Your financial strategy should align with your priorities, whether that involves saving for a dream vacation, purchasing a new home, establishing an emergency fund, exploring stock investments, paying off debts, or planning for retirement. At times, we may find that our objectives evolve even within the same fiscal year. Please subscribe to our channel to help us reach our first 1,000 subscribers goal.